The reason I'm up this early is because... Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Hello. Hello. Good doggy. Good doggy. Down, 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 down. I'm going to hike up the top of one of the viewpoints here in Nongkior. Are you coming with me? You can come. I think you should stay at the hostel though. I think the hostel's gonna miss you. But you can if you want to. Okay. Oh, this is the hostel dog. Oh, they're fighting.
This one's it.
This one's the hostel dog. I don't know, he's been following me the whole time.
Come with us?
Not by the looks of things. Oh, maybe he is. Oh, hello. He's gonna come. The hostel dog is still coming with us, so I guess it's coming. The dog is up on top of the fence with us. Come on, dog. You gotta go, otherwise you're in my way. Tex. Tex the dog.
Look at the photo.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, where are we going? Where are we going, Tex? Wow, you're pretty clever. How did you get up that? How did you get up that? This dog is incredible. How have you done that? How have you gotten up there? You're a great dog. On the dogs on the platform. That's so cute. How do you like the view? You gonna take it with you? You can take it to Vietnam and maybe she could have half an Oreo cracker.
You reckon?
I reckon she'll be okay. She deserves it. Oh, is that tasty?
But yeah, that was her first try.
Probably. Oh, it's pretty nice, isn't it? It's pretty nice. Was that pretty good?
More?
The facial expression that. What was that?
Don't lick my water bottle.
Please. There you go, doggy.
Hey,
Wait, hey, you gotta.
There
There you go. There's your water bowl. Oh yeah. What is this dog doing? Oh, she's figured it out. Yep, you can jump from there, I reckon. Oh. Let's go. This dog. Our tour guide. Oh, here we go. Okay, back at the lead. Righto. Made it back.